model, 2015 Mercedes Sprinter 316 CDI long. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 341281. MOT, the 6th of July 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.